Man Vlog's making movies.
What's up, everybody? It's Man Vlogs. I'm back with another one. Hey, I hope everybody is doing well. Hope all my subscribers are doing good. I just wanted to check in with you guys. It's raining right now out here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Basically though, guys, I was just riding around town the other day and just seen something real cool. So I just stopped, talked to some guys. They were staying at some hotels in my town and just passing through basically, and they were from Texas, and they were unloading these cars, and they call them kit cars. I don't know if you guys might know what those are, but it's basically like a real big oversized go-kart, like for adults, but it's got a real car engine in them, and like some of them are faster than exotic cars. You know, a lot of them, they'll keep up with supercars and everything, like Lamborghinis. They'll beat GTRs. So it's real super cool, and I got a real cool experience. Got a chance to really look at one up close, but that was actually something that I always dreamed of having. I really want like a sand rail or a buggy or something like that, but the kit cars, that's like on another level. Basically, they just, you know, real fast. Some of them got superchargers, some of them have turbos. But I got to make sure I shout out the guys at DF Goblin. Again, it's called DF Goblin. Real cool guys. They were real welcoming. Let me look all in the cars and stuff. And it was definitely a different experience. I never got a chance to see those up close. So, like I said, just got to shout out those guys. Another thing, these guys actually build these cars themselves, guys. So they got a lot of knowledge. They will build these cars custom. If you wanted one, just gotta have that money right, have it ready. But they do a great job. They're actually like the most popular company that builds these cars, pretty much. If you look them up online, maybe search YouTube, you'll see, just type in kit cars. I mean, they'll probably be the first thing that pops up. You know, they're very popular guys, and they do a great job, like I said. So everybody go check them out, show them some love. I'm about to get this video started, guys, but before we get going, I just gotta say thank you to all my subscribers and all my supporters. I appreciate you so much. Got much love for you. I noticed we made it over 400 subscribers, so I appreciate you so much. We're on the road to 1,000. Let's get there. So keep liking, sharing, commenting. I appreciate any support. But yeah, let's go. We got a good video. Let's get it going.
DJChronicBeats.com.
Run that back, turbo.
Synchro.
Called DF Goblins. That's a Lotus 7, and I don't know what that is, but I think it's an Evo. Okay. They're made out of a Chevy Cobalt 2-liter engine. Mine's supercharged. I think his is supercharged, and then that one's turbocharged. Yes, sir.
Make sure I get the sign on there. I'll get your shirt too. You mind being on YouTube?
No, not at all.
All right.
What's your channel?
Talk to this guy.
It's supposed to crack. It doesn't crack. But I did swap the relays on it, so I'm gonna see what that does. But that may have been masked. The other problem is I think that's what they call it. It should be bleeding.
Really?
Yeah. We got some big YouTubers actually own a couple.
Oh, for real?
Have you heard of Demolition Ranch?
Yeah.
You asked one.
Really?
You know Roman Atwood? Goonzquad just bought one. They used to finish it.
I watched them too.
They
Man,
have it as well, so
cool.
we're out there.
Now most of these are like either turbo or supercharged, right?
These both are supercharged. That one's turboed. We got, I think that one over there might be turboed as well. We got a couple. That's a stock automatic right now, but we're gonna put paddle shifts on the steering and we're gonna turbo it.
Man, cool.
But like I said, we built it in 2 weeks, so it's like
Yeah, that's a
right time
fast
for
build.
everything.
Man, that is crazy.